is advanced, the Navi Mumbai Metro is just the next logical and right thing to happen. Something which will connect, augment and facilitate millions of people's transit within the city and to and from Mumbai. The Navi Mumbai Metro owes its genesis to the study conducted first by DMRC and later by Lee Associates, recommending 5 different metro rail corridors. Navi Mumbai Metro Rail Project's first priority, Belapur Pendhar Kalamboli Khandeshwar Corridor, is planned to be built in 3 phases over a total time span of approximately 5 years. The first phase is being built from Belapur to Pendhar, a total distance of about 11.1 kilometers, with an estimated cost of 1,985 crore rupees. It is slated for completion by 2014. Phase 2 will originate from Khandeshwar to Taloja MIDC, covering a length of 8.35 kilometers, and it will provide the critical arterial connectivity to Navi Mumbai International Airport. Phase 3 of 2 kilometers has been designed to be the main interconnection of Phase 1 and Phase 2. Both these phases will be implemented by 2017.
अशी मेट्रो जाणार.
Thank you.